In this video, I will show you how to connect any TV to phone hotspot. Over here, I have an Android TV, but it doesn't really matter the type or brand of TV you're using. By the end of this video, you should be able to connect to your phone hotspot, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone, and share the internet of your phone with your TV. Now, first things first, you want to head over to the portable hotspot settings of your phone. So just head over to the settings of your phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android phone. Just go ahead and click on the settings icon. And then from here, you want to head over to the portable hotspot settings. You can literally see mine over here. If it is not here on your phone, you can just go ahead and check the connectivity settings and you should be able to find it over there. So just go ahead and click on it. Another way to actually find the portable hotspot settings is from the top notification center over here. You can literally see the hotspot settings, and once I long click on it, it automatically takes me to the portable hotspot settings. Now, first things first, you want to make sure that your mobile phone hotspot is turned on, and as you can see, mine is turned on. Then you want to go over to the set portable hotspot settings. Then go ahead and check the hotspot name and the hotspot password of your phone. As you can see, this is the hotspot name and the hotspot password of my phone. Now, you just want to keep that at the back of your mind, then click on the OK button or done button. Then make sure that your portable hotspot is also turned on once again. Now, once that is done on your TV, you want to head over to the settings of the TV. In this case, the settings of my TV is actually at the top right corner of the TV. So I'll just come over to the settings over here. Now, you want to go ahead and look for the connection or internet settings of your TV. In my case, the internet settings is just here, so I'll just go ahead and click on it. Now, what you want to do is to make sure that the Wi-Fi of your TV is turned on, and the TV should automatically search for all of the available Wi-Fi and hotspot networks you can actually connect to. As you can see, this is actually the name of my mobile phone hotspot, which we have actually turned on. So if your mobile phone hotspot is not turned on, make sure it is actually turned on. Now from here, just go ahead and select the name of your mobile phone hotspot. And then you want to go ahead and enter the same password that we actually saw under the set portable hotspot settings of our phone. So I'll just go ahead and enter mine. Now once you're done, you want to go ahead and click on the enter button at the bottom over here. And automatically, your TV should connect to your phone hotspot. As you can see, mine is currently connected. And that is basically how to connect any TV to your phone hotspot. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.